ba mag-avail ng brand new car? So we have 3 transactions po na po pwede. First is the cash, second is the bank PO or bank purchase order, and lastly is the in-house financing. So ang pinakamadali sa lahat ng to is syempre yung cash, and we only require at least 1 to 2 valid government IDs, and you can pay via straight cash, manager's check, or online bank transfer. So for the bank purchase order, ito yung ikaw mismo yung mag-a-apply and pupunta directly doon sa preferred mong banks or kung saan ka depositor. Kapag in-house financing naman, ito yung dadirect ka mismo sa dealer or sa agent. And then ito yung mga all-in promo na mas mababa ang down payment. And wala ka nang intindihan sa shuttle mortgage mo, insurance, and all that stuff. So ayun, so for more inquiries regarding our latest promos, feel free to send me a message, text, call, or vibe me po. Ingat po!